I'm Matt, Senior Client Success Manager for White House Custom Color, and we made it. We jumped in the van this morning from Eagan, Minnesota, drove over to Waupun, Wisconsin. It's about a 4.5-hour drive. We're really excited to work with Cassandra Verhage. We've been planning her new wall displays. She's got an awesome studio right on the main street of Waupun.
I'm most excited to see what happens and to see how people can visualize like how this is going to work in their space.
We're going to talk about each individual grouping that we put up.
Tying them all together is something maybe I wouldn't have done before, but then when I started looking, I'm like, I just really want like bold, bright colors that pop, especially on the metals up front with all this natural light.
In that grouping, I love that it's 4 of the same size. It's like a film strip storyboard of her session, and it's very easily like looking at an album page and just putting it up on the wall. Now, in addition to all the cool stuff that you're going to see on the walls here, we had a little bit of a back and forth, little wrestling from time to time about things. And I think it's really important to talk about that, because when you're watching our redesign series, you're seeing a cohesive endpoint, but there's a lot of back and forth that happens along the way. So we went 3 rounds, and we're going to talk about those 3 rounds. So while we're discussing this, we're going to wrestle back and forth a little bit and see who wins on these.